guys, what's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine. I had to make this video at night and I know it's a little cold here, so you guys bear with me. So today I'm going to be showing you or telling you how to make money with proofreading, how to begin from scratch, how to become a proofreader. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to become a proofreader and the sites that are going to employ you. Before this video begins, guys, please like this video. Some of you just watch and you don't like this video so that I'll know that you enjoyed. And yeah, in case you'll have any questions, please just ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to all your questions because I know this is a broad field and maybe there are so many things I'll not be able to cover in this video. My hair is looking crazy. Anyway, so as a proofreader, you just review the articles or some kind of writing. So what you're going to do, you're given a writing, something that has already been edited, so you don't become an editor. Don't confuse this. You're given writing and then your work is to review it, to go through it, check any grammar mistakes, check any font that has been mixed up, check any detail that is missing or something that is added and it shouldn't be there. So what you're going to do is to check any kind of mistake in a certain document or in a certain writing. That automatically means that you need to be good at English or good at a language. You have to have a strong command of the language that you're proofreading. So it's definitely not editing, because editing is something that you do, you know, unaongeza ama kutoa, but proofreading is every single thing, every single detail. So you really actually need to have a lot of knowledge on whichever the thing or whatever the topic you're going to be doing. So to become a proofreader, you have to have so much knowledge and you have to have a very keen eye, or yeah, let's say a keen eye to detail. You need to be a very vigilant person. So to do this and to be successful, make sure you are in a silent room or in a room where you can concentrate well. I know many people may ask, how much do proofreaders get paid in Kenya or in your country? By the way, the good thing about proofreading is that you can work at the comfort of your home and you can work for a company that is not even in your country. In this world where there is globalization, by the way, it has brought so much goodness to, you know, people like us, to everybody, because if you are jobless, then you can become a proofreader. All you need to do is to know the proofreading jobs, so you can work from whichever country you are in for whichever country. Yeah, because this is something that you do virtually. Now, in case you're wondering the amount you get paid, I think it always depends on the company and the amount of work they want you to do. Because it's actually work. Imagine being given a document that has maybe 200 pages. You need to, 2 to 3 hours to proofread, or even the whole night. You might find yourself doing this the whole night. Most proofreaders find it easier to do this at night because that's when there's total silence. You can concentrate because you don't want to miss any detail. So it always depends on the company that has employed you and the amount of work they are willing to give. So yeah, which are some of these sites? I know you're wondering the sites that pay you to become a proofreader. There are actually so many sites that pay you. I'm going to mention maybe 5 sites. First of all, you can get paid from Upwork. I know you guys have heard about Upwork because I have talked about it several times on my channel. So Upwork is where you create your own profile. So first of all, you download the app, the Upwork app, and then you create your channel. So on your channel indicates that you do proofreading. Now, Upwork will connect you to companies or agencies that want a proofreader. It's very easy to work with Upwork, and also a good thing about Upwork is that there are so many other online jobs, not just proofreading. So yeah, another app that can give you proofreading jobs is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a good app also because it also has many other online jobs opportunities. So if you love online jobs, make sure you have this app in your phone. Just have it. It doesn't matter. Be it going there and checking. So also on Fiverr, you have to create your profile, and there are so many proofreading jobs there. So if you're lucky enough, you'll get a job there. Another site that can pay you, proofreadingservices.com. So this is a site that actually gives you proofreading jobs, but it's such a serious site. It is serious for proofreaders. So before you go there, make sure you can, do a proofreading job easily. So make sure you've trained yourself, read articles on proofreading, and then now go there, because they are going to give you a test, a 20-minute test. They always have to give you a 20-minute test so that they can know that you are good at proofreading. I've already told you guys the qualities of a good proofreader. You need to be keen with details. You need to be quick, and you need to meet deadlines. You need to be patient. You need to look at every single detail. So if they give you a 20-minute test, make sure you apply all the proofreading qualities so that you can pass that test. If you don't pass that test, they are not going to trust you with other proofreading jobs. So definitely before you go there, make sure you've practiced, and it's easy to practice nowadays online because you can just go and search proofreading practice tests, and you're going to be given tests. So before you go to do a serious test like that one, make sure you've practiced. Make sure you can proofread actually, so that you can be given a job. Okay, another site, Wordvice. This one is a good site because it usually has very many proofreading jobs, but they pay you now depending on the company, so there is no fixed rate. So you can go to Wordvice, you'll get so many proofreading jobs there. Another proofreading site that you can get a job is Scriber. I don't know how you mention this, guys. Yeah, but Scriber is a good site too because it has students. This one you'll be working for students. So whereby they'll be giving you their assignments or their online classwork generally, and then you proofread for them. So you have to be very, very careful because you don't want to mess students. This is assignment that maybe they are going to submit to their lecturers. So you don't want to mess any work, and you will not get paid if you don't do your work diligently. So before you go to these proofreading sites, make sure you've done online tests online so that you can be fluent with it. Yeah, there are so many. The good thing is that people have actually started to embrace online jobs. So if you go to Google and search online tests for proofreading, free tests, you're going to get them. Of course, there are very many other proofreading sites that you can get proofreading jobs. I've just mentioned the ones that are good for beginners, because you'll find many other sites wanting you to have experience in proofreading and blah blah blah. So yeah, if you don't have any experience, then those sites that I've given, I hope they will help you. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just ask in the comment section down below, because I know there are so many questions you guys have. So just ask in the comment section. I'll be answering to all your comments as always. I hope this video was beneficial to you guys, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's video. I definitely will have another online business idea, and you don't want to miss. Make sure to follow this series on 31 days of growth. Actually, I've created a playlist, so you can go to my playlist side and check that playlist. You'll see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, And I'll be posting a video each and every day until the end of 31 days, so don't miss on any of those videos. I hope you'll have at least 1 or 2 online side hustles by the end of 31 days. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss on my future videos. Until next time, until tomorrow, bye guys.